Hi guys, how are you all doing? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn your wine glasses into charcuterie boards. Okay, so we all know charcuterie is French, hence I'm in my beret. We know the French love a good beret. So I'm going to be showing you how to get this done. It's going to be great for like girls' night, if it's Valentine's Day and you celebrate Valentine's Day, or any special occasion, you can just customize your snacks to go ahead with whatever occasion you're planning. So let me show you how I got this done. Okay guys, so these are the items I will be using today, and these are the wine glass toppers. So they function both as a wine glass topper and has the charcuterie topper. And I got these on Amazon. So here I also have some aged cheddar that I'll be using, and I have my fruits here in the back. I have my strawberries, my grapes, my blackberries, and some blueberries. So I also have this party mix that I'll be using. I'll only be using the pretzels from the party mix though, and I have this Cupid mix. They are some heart-shaped gummies. They're really good. And I have some mini crackers that I got at the Dollar Tree. I also have my salami, and this you can get at any grocery store. I'm going to start by pouring my wine, and I'm using a red sparkling wine today, and then I'm going to add my topper. I'm going to be adding my salami first, so I'm going to go ahead and fold the salami in half, then I'm going to fold it again and add it to a cocktail toothpick. I'm going to be using 3 pieces of salami per toothpick, but you can use more if you'd like. And once added to the toothpick, it's going to give a ruffled, full look. So I've added my 3rd piece, and now I'm going to go ahead and add it to the topper. I'm going to place it right at the back to create that focal point, and then I'm going to be adding my fruits, starting with the strawberry. I kept the stem on just for some greenery and for that extra pop of color. And the key is to keep everything small and bite-sized to make sure they fit perfectly on top. I'm going to go ahead and add my remaining fruits, and I'll just rearrange as I go along to make sure everything is looking how I want it to look. Next, I'm adding my cheddar, and I really like that the color of the cheese breaks up the darker colors of the fruits. And I'm going to be adding my pretzel and my crackers for crunch. And here's my little Cupid mix gummy heart. I really like the lighter shade of pink, so I'm going to go ahead and just put it right here on top of the blueberries. So I wanted to show you guys a larger size wine glass, and that the topper fits perfectly on both. I'm going to go ahead and recreate what I did on the first one for this one as well. And I'll put the link for the wine toppers in the description box. If you are enjoying the video guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. And just to let you know guys that there was no tipping of the topper, everything felt balanced and sturdy, and safe. So there's no need to worry about anything falling if you have to lift this, because I did and it felt really sturdy. So I'm adding some thyme just for some extra greenery and garnish. If you have rosemary or mint, you can go ahead and use those. Those would be perfect, but I didn't have any of that at home, so I'm using some thyme. So this is how they turned out, guys, and I think they look so pretty. This is just one of those ideas that look really fancy but take minutes literally to put together. It would be perfect for girls' night, for date night, if it's a small gathering, or any special occasion. Let me know what you think in the comments, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.